Well, good morning. It is Wednesday. It is, let me see, Wednesday, 9th of July. And I'm here in the Philippines, and then it says in the title. But anyway, I want to make this channel a little bit different. In the past, I was doing a lot of past week trades, what I did, and I know it is boring, because trading is boring, let's be honest. So I want to change this trading for something fun. I'm gonna make trading fun. Let's make trading fun again. So, even that I do trade, I have a different interest. I work out, I do Muay Thai, I travel around Philippines, I travel around the world. I live in Thailand, I live in Indonesia, I live in Philippines, I live in Japan, I live in Vietnam, I travel around, Cox is in the background. I do so many things. So I want to talk about those things as well. So if you're interested, stick around and let's get straight into the day in the life of trading in Philippines, or whatever might be this title about. So let's first actually, I was saying that I'm not gonna be talking about, but I will now. Euro USD. I'm in this trade since let me get this like this. Since last Friday. So you can see I enter here and I enter another position here for my smaller account. This is another position, and that I already closed it almost. And then I did enter. Look, this is the thing, right? If I just stick to the one trade on the daily, which is a counter trade, but it looks good. If I just stick to that, I will not make another losses. Look what happened. So this is another trade I took. This is the gold, and you can see I entered the trade here, and then it stopped me out because it's just I wasn't patient enough, and then stopped me out. And the next one is GBP-CHF. This is the last trade I enter. Same thing here. This is another counter trade, and I was thinking we might continue all the way to this resistance, but yeah, we didn't. I was wrong on this one. And actually, to be honest, I was not supposed to take this trade because it's counter trade. So it is what it is. But anyway, that was the how's my trades going. It's Wednesday. It's hot as fuck. So you can see it's a beautiful place here. I'm gonna finish my coffee. I'm gonna take my shin guards here, and we're gonna go to Muay Thai. So I'm gonna take you to Muay Thai training, where I'm training with 7 times champion of the world, national athlete, Asian Games, Asia Games, Sea Games, and etc. in Muay Thai. Really good coach. So let's go. By the way, I don't think there is much worse feeling than when you're planning to enter a trade and then this happen. Look at this. Just run without you. Catch me later. Mother 125 almost. Well, we are 125 now basically, because we are spiking. Look at this entry. I missed that. I completely missed that. What I was doing. That's 5. Oh my god, what I was doing, man.
This is the man himself, the champion, the 7-time champion. 7-time?
7-time. Nationals only, nationals.
Nationals, Sea Games, no?
Sea Games.
Asian Games.
Asian Games.
What else?
World, FMA World.
FMA World. What else?
15-0 in pro.
15-0 in pro.
Pro, 15-0 professional. Let's go!
Nice. By the way, this guy, absolute legend, guys. He is, if you know Sanchai in Muay Thai, if you don't know Sanchai in Muay Thai, Google Sanchai in Thailand. S-A-A-N-C-H-A-I. Sanchai. He's like the Filipino version of Sanchai.
Thailand, we're coming! You better watch out! You don't be so lazy, huh? The Philippines, we're coming! Yeah, boss.
But bro,
Huh?
you cannot escape now. You know what you promised on Monday?
Oh no! Friday,
Shingat,
Friday,
shingat,
Friday,
shingat,
Friday,
shingat.
Friday, Friday,
Shingat.
Friday.
Shingat.
Shingat.
Guys, cannot
Okay,
escape
okay,
now.
okay, okay. He's not allowed to ship, but I have to ship.
Oh my god. Pain in your body where, yes.
Let's go, okay? Let's go. Ako yung
Time for swim, time for some coconut, and some work. I'm onto something with YouTube.
Yeah, you can document your life in the island, bro. You know, your
Ah.
Muay Thai journey. You know, the Muay Thai journey and the progress. You know, it's real.
Coconut cutting.
It's just how you practice your accuracy and precision.
Not elbow.
No. This is hard, bro. This is my breakfast and lunch and dinner. You don't need to buy anything, you know, just coconut tree is a tree of life.
True.
It gives everything.
Especially when you have so many here.
You can use this as snacks. You will think that I'm fucking. And it's true. I'm homeless, guys. My parents
How was with
abandoned
coconut?
me. My parents abandoned me when I was a kid.
Champion of the world, homeless.
Homeless. I'm eating this one, huh?
Oh really?
Yeah.
So this is the best fruit in the world, but it stinks like shit. Like a complete shit.
Okay, very young. Smells.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah.
But it's like, it's not too expensive still, but it's pretty expensive actually.
Yeah. What is the texture and the taste?
You never had that?
No.
What? You Filipino never had durian? Oh.
It's not my thing, you know. It smells
Just try it. It's like cheesecake.
cheesecake.
It's amazing. Have it. This one is good, bro. Let's do the first. Let's do the first.
Okay. It's like eating balot, you know. No!
Don't breathe. Just give it a try. Give it a try. Just relax.
Smell, bro.
Just taste. Don't breathe. You get used to the smell.
It tastes like it's like a rotten food.
It's just a strong smell. But trust me, once you get used to the smell, the taste is really, really good, and you become addicted to it. It's like
I don't know
you're
how
like me first time. I'm like, fucking hell, what the
I don't
fuck?
know how you enjoyed it.
So good.
It's like a torture, bro. I cannot swallow it.
Just don't focus on the breath.
Like when you're a kid, your parents forcing you to eat your vegetables, you know. Eat your broccoli. No.
It's so good.
I think I'm good with one, bro. I will not go further. It's not my. I don't like it, bro.
Coconut master.
We go viral.
I'm gonna be not that close to the machete. Too dangerous. But
Coconut.
guys, this is how you open the coconut in the master way. And now we cut off the fingers.
To be precise.
You know, I fill up my bottle of this. It's 0.7. Cost me 80 pesos, bro.
Really.
Yeah. You know, in Coco Frio.
Coco free, yeah. dollars there. Expensive.
Nice. Let's do it.
Wow.
The water of life. Oh, it's beautiful.
Let's go.
All right, just got home. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna have some food, some eggs, probably 5, 6 eggs. And I'm probably gonna have a little nap because I don't feel very good. I feel a little bit tired. So I'm gonna have some nice nap through the afternoon. I'm gonna check on the trades, how the trade looks. But last time I checked, it looks actually pretty good. So let me check on the computer. So it's still looking good. Last night we looked a little bit not so good, but I still like this. We just made the lower low. You can see this one. I draw the line, which is made a lower low. So I'm expecting this trade to go all the way to my TP, probably tonight or potentially tomorrow. You can see I'm already marked it here. TP1 to touch this area and potentially TP2 to touch this area. So it'll be 1 to 3.13 if it gets here, and it will be 1 to 4 if it gets here. So we'll see how that goes. Update you soon. But before nap, I'm gonna have some beautiful, what is this called? Dragon fruit. Amazing. You can get so many things, so many fruits here in Philippines.
Paano ba sila maripiyot?
So I had to go stop for some food. I don't know if you can hear me because there's music right there. So a little bit loud. But super hungry. Smash that. Hang out with the dogs. Just got myself home. Had a nice dinner. I didn't get to film where I was actually after my nap. I had to go to the doctor. I didn't film that. I had some issue, and then I went for a nice dinner, which you saw in the clips, and very nice. It's like a beach club here in Siargao. So it's pretty much sums up my day here in Siargao in beautiful Philippines, living the life which I always wanted to live. You know, left the west or left actually the east because I'm from Czech Republic. So now actually becoming more like a west country because it's European Union. So yeah, that's pretty much sums it up. I'm gonna finish my smoke. I'm gonna look at my laptop, maybe watch some videos, and then go to sleep, start a new day. So if you like this video, guys, give it a like, give it a subscribe, or don't. That's really up to you. And I'll catch you guys next time.